When it comes to saving for education for children, grandchildren, or any child that's important in your life, a 529 account can be a powerful tool. It's essentially a tax-free hack for paying for education costs. So let's walk through the basics. What is a 529 account? A 529 account is a tax-advantaged savings and investment account designed specifically for education expenses. You can contribute after-tax dollars. Those dollars can then be invested. And if it's used for qualified education costs, the growth in those investments and the withdrawals are tax-free. So what can a 529 account be used for? Most people think of college, and that's a big part of it. But 529 accounts can be used for more things than many people realize. Funds can also be used for things like graduate school tuition, trade school, room and board, books and required supplies, even certain apprenticeship or licensing programs. And you can also use up to $20,000 per year for K through 12 private school tuition. And a limited amount can even be used to repay student loans. So we discussed distributions being tax-free for education costs, but are there any additional tax benefits? And the answer is yes. This is where 529s really stand out. While contributions aren't federally tax deductible, many states offer tax deductions or credits for contributing to a 529. The investments then grow tax-deferred, and qualified withdrawals are tax-free for education costs. So it's a triple benefit. And over time, that kind of tax treatment benefit can really boost your savings. A common question I get about 529s is, what if plans change and the money's not needed for education costs? If that's the case, the account owner maintains control of the funds and can typically change it to another beneficiary or another family member, another child, another grandchild. Another option that's been recently made available is the ability to roll those funds over to a Roth IRA for the beneficiary, as long as certain guidelines are met, of course. And lastly, look, if the funds aren't used for education, you still have access to them. But the growth in that account, the earnings, can be exposed to taxes and penalties if not used for education costs. So as I mentioned earlier, a 529 account can be a great tool for education planning. And if you'd like help deciding if it makes sense for you or how much to contribute or what plan to use, we're happy to talk. Just reach out. We're here to help. I'm Hannah O'Leary. All the best.